Welcome friends to a new session on extensions to Mendelian genetics. In this session, we will discuss about quantitative inheritance. Before we go into quantitative inheritance, let us understand multiple alleles. An allele is one of a pair or a series of alternative forms of a gene that occurs at a given locus in a single chromosome. For example, in Mendel's experiment with pea plants, he found that color of the pea pod was determined by a gene. One allele is responsible for yellow pod and the other one determines green pod. When the gene for one trait exists as only two alleles and the alleles behave according to Mendelian law of dominance, there are three possible combination of genotypes or alleles and two possible phenotypes, that is the dominant and recessive. For example, using the pea pod character Y, capital Y, the dominant allele for yellow and small y, recessive character for green, the possibilities are capital Y, which is homozygous dominant yellow, capital Y, which is heterozygous yellow, and small y, which is homozygous recessive green. If only two alleles are involved for the determination of phenotypic character of a particular trait, three possible phenotypes results and the inheritance pattern illustrates either incomplete or codominance. In this case, the heterozygous genotype produces a third phenotype, that is either a blend of phenotypes or two parents, which we call incomplete dominance, or mixture of both parents phenotypes which appear at the same time, which we call as codominance. Let us check out an example for both cases. If capital B is for black and capital W for white, in the case of incomplete dominance, the possibilities are capital B, that is homozygous dominant, which is black in color, capital B, capital W, which is heterozygous and gray, and capital W, that is homozygous white. An example for codominance is capital B, homozygous dominant, which is black, capital B, W, which is heterozygous, which comes as black and white, and capital W, which is homozygous but gives white color. If there are four possible phenotypes for a particular trait, more than two alleles for that particular trait exists. So, we call this multiple alleles. Multiple alleles is a type of non-Mendelian inheritance pattern which involves more than two alleles that usually code for a certain phenotypic character. With multiple alleles, more than two phenotypes are available depending on the interaction of recessive or dominant alleles. Important features of multiple alleles are: 1. The multiple alleles always belong to the same locus and one allele is present at a locus at a time in a chromosome. Second, they always control the same character of an individual. Third, wild type allele is always dominant over other alleles. Fourth, there is no crossing over. Fifth, in a series of multiple alleles, wild type is always staying dominant. And sixth one, when two mutant types are crossed, wild form cannot be recovered. Seventh, when two mutant alleles are crossed, it produces mutant phenotype. The examples are: 1. Fur color in rabbit, 2. blood group in man, which is ABO, third, self sterility in tobacco. Now, let us see about albino series in rabbits. A classic example of multiple allele is the one that controls the coat color in rabbits. The color determining gene denoted by small c has 4 alleles. Small c, that is albino, C superscript H, which represents for Himalayan, C superscript CH, which represents for chinchilla, and C superscript plus, which represents wild type. In homozygous condition, both the alleles has a characteristic effect on rabbit coat color. The genotype small c albino, white hairs over the entire body. Small c with the superscript H in duplicate is the Himalayan, black hairs over the extremities, white hairs everywhere. Then small c in duplicate with the superscript CH chinchilla, white hairs with black tips on the body, and C plus in duplicate for wild type agouti, colored hairs over the entire body. Because most rabbits in wild populations are homozygous for C plus allele, so the C plus allele is called the wild type. In rabbits, 4 skin colors are known. Agouti, this has full color and is the wild type. This coat color is dominant over all the remaining color and produces agouti in F1 generation and 3:1 ratio in F2 generation when crossed with any other colored rabbits. Chinchilla, which is having a salivary gray hair, is lighter than agouti. This is dominant over albino and Himalayan, and also produces chinchilla in F1 generation and 3:1 ratio in F2 generation when crossed either with albino or Himalayan. Himalayan, the main coat color is white, while the tips of tail, ear, feet and snout are colored. This color is dominant over albino and in F2 generation produces 3:1 ratio when crossed with albino. Albino has pure white fur color and is recessive to all other types, which is represented by small c. The order of dominance for coat color in rabbits is agouti C plus, chinchilla C superscript CH, Himalayan C superscript H, albino small c. Please note that the dominance hierarchy is analogous to the effect that the alleles have on coat color. The allele of small c gene form an allelic series that determines the phenotypes of the offspring in various matings. The C plus allele is dominant to all other alleles of the gene, and any genotype which have at least one copy of C plus produces wild type coat color. For example, in crosses A, B and C, complete dominance of C plus over other alleles is demonstrated by examining the progenies with the genotype C plus having full color. The order of dominance in this series is revealed by the production of 3:1 ratios obtained from various crosses with heterozygous genotypes. In cross D, chinchilla is partially dominant over Himalayan. Most of the coat color of chinchilla has palliated and the Himalayan pattern has darker color of paws, face and tail. Cross E shows that the coat color chinchilla is completely dominant over albino. In cross F, Himalayan is completely dominant over albino. The basis for the relationships of dominance between the alleles is the distinctive levels of catabolytic activity of tyrosinase enzymes produced by C gene alleles. The wild type dominant allele C plus is fully active in 100% tyrosinase production. In the heterozygous genotypes CCH, CH or CCH, C or homozygous CCH, CCH genotype, only a small amount of melanin is synthesized. This leads to a decreased amount of melanin pigment. The tyrosinase enzyme produced by hypomorphic CH allele is inactivated and unstable at a particular temperature very near to the normal body temperature of most mammals. So, these alleles are an example of a temperature sensitive allele. At these cooler extremities, the CH allele remains active and produces pigment in the hairs, which is responsible for temperature sensitive tyrosinase. However, in the central warmer portion of the body, slightly higher temperature is enough to cause denature the tyrosinase enzyme produced by the CH allele. This inactivates the tyrosinase enzyme and leads to an absence of color pigment in the middle portion of the body. The final allele in the series C is called null allele that does not produce functional enzyme tyrosinase and leads a condition known as albinism. ABO blood group in man. The ABO blood group is not the only aspect of our blood type. The other aspect is the Rh factor. Blood is a complex living tissue which contains many proteins and cell types. Blood courses through the body carrying out many important functions such as regulator, defender and transporter. Blood group system is a series of antigens exhibiting similar physiological and serological characteristics inherited according to a specific pattern. An Australian biologist and physician, Karl Landsteiner, known for development of blood group system and discovery of Rh factor, received the Aronson Prize in 1926, Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine 1930 and Lasker Award in 1946. He discovered main blood groups in 1900 by mixing different samples of blood and examining the effect under a microscope. From those experiments, he developed the modern system of classification of blood groups and identified as A, B, AB and O. This is known as Landsteiner's rules for ABO blood group. He discovered another important antigen, the rhesus factor, Rh we generally call. Landsteiner is recognized as the father of transfusion medicine. The classification of human blood based on the inherited properties of red blood cells as determined by the presence or absence of the antigens A and B present on the surface of the red blood cells. Later, Philip Levine, an immunohematologist whose clinical research advanced knowledge on rhesus factor, hemolytic disease of newborn and blood transfusion, together with Landsteiner separately discovered another system with the three broad types M, N and Mn. The H antigen and secreted traits have been identified recently. The differentiation of blood types in human beings is primarily important in the field of medicine where transfusion of blood is must. The ABO and Rh blood grouping system is based on agglutination reaction. When RBC is carrying one or both, the antiserum was composed of the corresponding antibodies. They will interact with each other to form visible agglutination or clumping. Acute hemolysis and possibly death occurs if ABO antibodies react with antigens in vivo. The ABO blood group antigen are O-linked glycoproteins in which the terminal sugar residues expand at the cell surface of RBCs, determining whether the antiserum is A or B blood groups. Individuals have A group and anti-B bodies in the serum. Similarly, blood group B antigen on RBCs and anti-A antibodies in serum. Blood group O individuals have neither A antigen nor B antigen, but both possess anti-A, anti-B antibodies in the serum. The Rh antigens are transmembrane proteins in which the loops composed on the surface of RBCs interact with corresponding antibodies. There are 3 alleles for the gene that determines blood type. Type A represented by capital I superscript A, type B represented by capital I superscript capital B, and type O represented by small I. The I stands for isohemagglutinin. According to Mendel's law of inheritance, in different ways, these 3 different alleles can be combined. The resulting genotype make either type A, type B, type AB or type O blood groups. The blood type A is coded by either 2 capital A alleles, that is IA, IA, or 1 capital A and 1 O allele, that is IA and small I. Similarly, blood type B is a combination of either 2 B alleles, that is IB, IB, or 1 B and 1 O allele represented by IB and small I. Blood type O can only be obtained with 2 recessive O alleles, that is small I, small I. These 3 blood types are examples of simple or complete dominance. AB blood type is an example of codominance because A and B alleles are equal in their dominance and expression, paired together into the genotype IA, IB. In AB blood type, neither A or B is dominant over each other. So, each type expressed equally in the phenotype. Antibody is a type of protein commonly referred to as immunoglobulin, commonly found in the plasma or serum. The presence of antibody can be detected by its specific reaction with a specific antigen. An antigen refers to an agent or substance which, when introduced into the system, for example like goat, cow, man, induces the specific antibody production which binds specifically to the antigen located in the RBC. Blood group A actually means that blood cells binds with antigen A. Antigen A is a specific protein marker present on the surface of all type A blood cells. The task of IA allele is to cause the attachment and creation of this specific kind of antigen. IB allele causes the attachment and creation of a protein marker, the B antigen, with a different shape. Both IA and IB alleles are dominant over the allele small I, but neither of them dominant mutually. This lack of dominance accounts for the genotype capital IA, capital IB expressed in the AB blood group. Now, let me explain to you why IA and IB alleles are codominant and why small I allele is recessive by knowing all these factors about blood type. The IA IB genotype results in both A and B antigens on the cell surface. The allele small I causes no antigen to be produced and is called a silent allele. The association of anti-A and anti-B antibodies usually belong to IgM class of immunoglobulin. Now, let us see about ABO inheritance terminology. Chromosomes are the unit of inheritance and it carries genes, one inherited from mother and one from father. A and B genes are found on chromosome 9. The O gene signifies the lack of A and B antigens. These are not expressed unless this gene is inherited from both the parents. An account of the mode of inheritance of parental traits and offspring possibilities is provided in the table shown over here. Self-sterility in tobacco, Nicotiana tabacum. This was worked out by Edward Murray East, an American plant genetist. He was also a botanist and agronomist at Busse Institute of Harvard University, known for the development of hybrid corn and quantitative trait. Self-sterility is the condition found in many hermaphrodite organisms in which female and male reproductive cells produced by the same individual will not fuse to form a zygote and unable to develop into an embryo if they fuse together also. In plants, this is usually termed self-incompatibility. Tobacco is an annually grown herbaceous plant. Leaves are commercially important in many countries to be processed into tobacco. In the tobacco plant, numerous multiple alleles are present which are related to self-sterility. The individuals having closely related alleles are sterile in nature. In this case, fertilization is completely prevented. The sterility alleles in tobacco are represented as S superscript 1, S superscript 2, S superscript 3, S superscript 4, etc. In some cases, more than 40 alleles are known to be present in same series. In tobacco plants, fertilization usually takes place between a haploid pollen grain and a diploid ovary. A plant can never be homozygous. For example, if a tobacco plant is carrying 3 alleles, the 3 possible combinations are S1 S2, S2 S3 and S1 S3. In such a situation, an allele present in pollen different from the 2 alleles present in female plant will be able to function. If the genotype of female tobacco plant is S1 S2, any other allele different from parent genotype except S1 S2 or pollen carrying S3 will function. That means, pollen carrying self-sterility is in favor of new alleles that ensure fertilization. The genotypes of progenies obtained due to a cross between various self-compatible types are shown in the table. The mechanism of action of S allele is not very clearly understood. Geneticists studied the mechanism of action of S allele recently. The DNA sequence from S allele of Brassica oleracea have been cloned. The study suggested that glycoprotein synthesized by S allele could be detected by an antibody, but they do not know whether S specificity is determined by carbohydrate or protein part of glycoprotein. Geneticists believe that both should be important. The study is also been shown that the S allele may have different DNA sequences. Now, let us summarize the foregoing discussion of gene interactions. We have only examined characters that are controlled by 2 alleles so far, one on maternal chromosome and one on paternal chromosome of a gene, but many genes have multiple alleles. Within a population, more than 2 alleles can exist, called multiple alleles. In rabbits, the coat color determining gene C has 4 alleles: C for albino, CH for Himalayan, CCH for chinchilla, and C plus for wild type. The dominance relationships can be expressed as C plus dominant over CCH, which is dominant over CH, and all these three are dominant over small c. C plus is dominant to each of the 3 mutant alleles. The human ABO blood group provides another example of multiple alleles. This particular gene codes for 4 possible phenotypic blood types: A, B, AB and O, and 3 alleles for the gene that determines blood type. Blood type A is coded for by either 2 A alleles, IA, or 1 A allele and 1 O allele, IA small I. Blood type B is a combination of either 2 B alleles, IB, or 1 B allele and 1 O allele, that is IB and small I. Blood type O is coded with 2 recessive O alleles, small I. Blood type AB is an example of codominance. Neither A or B allele is dominant over each other, which results in AB phenotype. Another example of multiple allele is the self sterility in tobacco. In tobacco plant, different alleles in a pollen and female plant will be able to function. That means, pollen carrying self sterility is in favor of new alleles that ensure fertilization. Here I will give you some assignments to work out. 1. Write down the relationship among alleles and their protein products. 2. Review the various multiple alleles in human ABO blood groups. 3. Give an account of the extensions of Mendelism. 4. What do you understand by self incompatibility? Explain. 5. Discuss the control and inheritance of coat color in rabbit. I will also give you some reference for your future reading. 1. A book entitled Mendelian Ratios and Lethal Genes, written by Lobo and published in 2008, Nature Education, volume 1, pages 138. Another book is entitled Principles of Genetics, written by Gardner and Nestad, published in 1984. The publisher is John Wiley, New York. Third book is with the title Cell and Molecular Biology, written by D. Robertis and Robertis, published in 1991. The publisher is Leah and Febiger in Washington. Yet another book is entitled Principles of Genetics, written by Synod, Dunn and Dobzhansky. The publisher is McGraw-Hill, New York. Another book is entitled Studies on Size Inheritance in Nicotiana, written by East, published in 1916 in Genetics, volume 1, pages 164 to 176. Now I will also suggest you some website for your further learning. 1. www.genetics.org. A second website is www.genome.gov. Thank you for watching this session. See you next time. Until then, bye.